So hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first ever YouTube video. So in this video, I'll be doing some swag unboxing. So recently I have got a swag box which I have been waiting for months so that I can make an unboxing video on that. So I have got this much big box from Microsoft for being advanced Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador beta level, which in short also known as MLSA. If you want to know more about it, I have given links in the description. You can definitely check them out. And now let's see what's in this box. And yeah, let's get started.